Hello everyone, this is Nandini Shah from class 8C and today I am going to show you my project on the topic man-made disaster. First of all, I would like to thank Ms. Seema for giving me this wonderful project on the topic man-made disaster. After doing this project, I came to know about so many new things. First of all, what is man-made disaster? When the disasters are due to carelessness of human or mishandling of dangerous equipments, they are called man-made disaster. Its types are chemical, biological, nuclear, accidents, and environment disaster. So first of all, let's talk about chemical disaster. Chemical disasters can be caused by irresponsible handling of chemicals, industrial accidents, or their deliberate use for destruction. One worst chemical disaster took place in India. Bhopal gas tragedy, which took place on 3rd December 1984, was one of such chemical disasters. As a result of Bhopal tragedy, India and other countries have made stricter laws regarding such industries. Its consequences are incorrect use of household chemical products may cause immediate health effects such as skin or eye irritation or burns or poisoning. There can also longer term health effects from chemicals. When these occur, they are usually the result of exposure to certain chemicals over a long period of time. Measures that should be undertaken to prevent chemical disaster. Stay calm, put a wet cloth on face and breathe through it. Lying down on the ground can be helpful since most poisonous gases are lighter than air and tend to rise upwards. Now, the second one is biological disaster. Biological disasters are caused by the release of germs or other biological substances. Biological weapons are easy to manufacture and can be used without sophisticated delivery systems and at the same time are very effective as they have the ability to kill and destroy hundreds and thousands of people. Illness from biological weapons are not likely to be recognized in their initial stages and hence can result in secondary exposure to others. Biological weapons are often called poor man's nuclear bomb. Its consequences are biological disaster can lead to diseases, illness, disability, loss of life, starvation, increased poverty, socio-economic disruptions, and economic environmental degradation. Measures that should be undertaken to prevent biological disaster are: a biological attack is the release of germs or other biological substance which if inhaled or eaten or enters body through a cut or wound can make sick. If you become aware of any such suspicious release nearby you, you must protect yourself by getting away from it immediately. You should cover your mouth and nose with layers of cloth that will filter the air but allows you to breathe. Now next is nuclear disaster. There are some serious man-made disasters like those of the developed and use of nuclear bombs such as atom bombs and or hydrogen bombs. Such weapons of mass destruction can destroy the whole human race. WMDS leads to breakdown and collapse of social and economic system. Disaster that took place in India. A small amount of nuclear accident observed in the villages and towns around the Kalpakkam nuclear station south of Chennai in Tamil Nadu. It was took place in January 2003. Its consequences. Nuclear explosion produce air blast effects similar to those produced by conventional explosives. The shock wave can directly injure humans by rupturing eardrums or lungs or by hurling people at high speed. But most casualties occur because of collapsing structure and flying debris. Measures that should be undertaken to prevent nuclear disaster. Do not panic. Do not view the blast or mushroom cloud as it could cause blindness. Symptoms of radioactivity are nausea, dizziness, and disorientation. Now, the last one is accidents. Accidents can happen in air, on road and rails, and in water. Road accidents are a daily happening in almost all countries of the world. Rail and air accidents are a frequent phenomena. The accidents on sea are also not rare. Thousands of people are killed every month all over the world in such accidents. There have been several rail accidents in India recently. Thanks for watching.